Okay. The last one. Relations are checked out. All of you tried, huh? Okay. So now first tell me, guys, how many parent tables in this? Two parent tables. Which is child? Orders is your child table. Orders is your child table. Which column you are taking reference? Huh? CID
Recording in
and
progress.
P code. Okay, right. So now let's just observe first of all. We can go to do this. So what is your database name? MyDB 4 p.m. Okay. Now check it out one by one. Don't write, just observe first of all. So what is my first table? Customers, customer ID, and I'm taking your primary key. And next, customer name, varchar2 of some size. And what next we have to use? Customer mobile number. So we are using number of 10. Customer address, C address. Okay, that is what I'm taking varchar2 of 10. Okay, na? Right. So this is what the table we design now. And after that, you want to insert some information into this table customers and sending value 1 comma Smith and his mobile number and some location of this HYD, Hyderabad. So now we can go for one more customer information we can use here too. And we set here Alan. Okay, 10. And now suppose I say your Pune. So this is two records I inserted and committed to permanently saving purpose. And what is the next table we want to go for? Products. Then you can go for product code integer and we should apply primary key. Next, product name. So varchar2 of some size. The next one is called as a price. It's a number 7 comma 2. So after that, we need to insert few products into this products information. So sending values here. Sending a values here. So now the product code 1021, the product and the product cost is 500. Okay, this is one product. Suppose 1022, the product was C++, then the cost is 1000. And I just go to commit now. And these are what now two tables we design. One is we called as customer table, customers, and one more table we called as what now? Products. Okay. Then after we need to create your child table. What is that? Orders. Now we can go to order ID number or order number. So int, if you want to maintain uniqueness on this order number, you can use primary key. And next order date, data type. What next we want to ask here? Quantity is integer. And now first column I'm taking reference of a customer integer and we taking references. Okay, references from which table? Customers table of which column? CID. What should be applied? On delete cascade. Okay, on delete cascade. Space now. On delete cascade. So this is one thing we can. Second one is called as what now? P code. This is also we taking references. And what is the table now? Products. And products of which column? P code on delete cascade. Okay, now the two references I'm going to taking out. Then after you can carefully observe and see. Suppose if I'm going to inserting some orders details. Okay. First order number 101. Then what next? Order date. For example, the date 17. Okay. This is July na JUL and next 2023. Oracle default format. Next, what should be? You have to give quantity 1 and customer ID 1 and product code is 10. So now can you tell me? So product code is 1021. Now can you tell me? Here carefully observe. What I said yesterday, how to take your details, how you want to take your customer order means when customer should available and product should be available. When both are available, then I will take a what orders. Now see, 1. I was taken customer ID 1. 1 is available. Who is this? Smith. And 1021. 1021 is what now? Product. So customer available, product also available. So that I want to take a order. Understand now? Suppose if I'm taking now 3 and now I'm going to give it order number, for example, 2. Is it? No. Why, sir? Here product is available, but who was not available? Products are there, but customers are not there. So now you can take your no. So what it was saying, integrity constant is violated. What it should be called? Parent key is not found. Okay, this is what we called as. Suppose next, if I'm giving here 2 and now I want to give, okay, 22. Okay, can I? Can I? Yes, I can because both are available. Suppose in the next level, I'm giving here 3 and now on the same day, quantity 5. So now 2. Now the product is 1023. Can I? No. Now this time who was not available? Product is not available. So integrity constant is violated. Parent key is not found. So that means come to your finally, okay, if you see the tables, okay, what is now customers? And now we can go for products. And now you can go for orders. Is it clear? Yes. So now you need to do your operation now. What is my operation here? Delete from customer parent table. So where customer ID is equals to 1. So it means what now? No customer, no order. So definitely the both should be deleted. Customer deleted, orders also deleted. Suppose if I want to go for delete from what now? Products. Okay. Where P code is equals to 1022. So no products, no orders. Now we can come out and see finally customer table is there. You can see products table. So 1022 deleted and you can see order table nothing. Okay, na? So this is what we called as guys here more than 2 tables relationships how to design. Right on below. So if you are completed, you can Okay, right. This is complete information about your how to making more than two tables relationship. Right, Bill? Completed? Mm. Okay, right. So these are making relationships in between tables. So as of now, so except default constraint, remaining constraints, how to use on your table structure, we check it out. But next one is what now? How to apply these constraints on your existing tables. Okay. So first my table already existing there, and on those columns, we need to apply your constraints. Okay now? Now we'll write how to add a constraint on an existing table. How to add a constraint on an existing table. An existing table. Okay. Now there is a one syntax to add like this. So the command is alter table name. Okay, alter table name, add what we need to add a constraint. And here we can give it your constraint key name. We need to give it and constant key name. And then you can send your constraint type. Okay, on which column you need to apply that column name, you can go to pass. Okay, right. So this is your one syntax to apply your concept. So now one by one we can apply here. First one we go to use here how to adding your primary key. Adding a primary key. Adding a primary key. So now come to first of all to check it out your table. So first you need to create one table. The table name is parent. So now I'm taking EID. So now ename varchar 2 of some size. And next we have your salary. So Now salary, here suppose 7 comma 2. So these are what we called one table we designed. But can you tell me, do you have any constraint on this table? No, there is no constraints here. Okay. So now constraints are there, not there. And now I need to add one by one. So now first one I want to add alter table. What is the table name? Parent. Add what we need to add? Constant. Constant key identity must be given. That identity is what now? EID underscore PK. Why, sir, are you giving EID underscore PK? Means it's our user understandable format. Otherwise, you can give it a X, you can give X, you can give it a Y, you can give it a Y, you can give it a Z, Z also you can give it now. So that means what it was happened, the key name just for our understandable format. So that understand, if even if I'm giving XYZ, again we have a confusion. X means which constant, Y means which constant. So that's why in real time, the people how they're using, on which column you applied your constant, the column name underscore which constant you applied, the constant key name shortcut. What is that? PK. PK means primary key. So like this, you can give it. Okay, but this is mandatory. No, your wish, you can give anything. Primary key. On which column I want to apply? EID. Is it clear now? So now I was successfully applied here. But here, after applying your constant on the table, how I will know that whether my constant is successfully applied or not. Okay, now? So below write down. First write on this. Okay, right. So now below take syntaxes. To view constant name along with column name in a table. Okay, so how to view? Otherwise, how to view? How to view constant name along with column name in a table. So which constant on which column you applied, you can take. And these syntaxes are, you must be remember guys here whenever you want to see this. So we called select, and I'm going to using here column underscore name, comma, constant underscore name from user underscore cons underscore columns where which table you want to see, table underscore name is equals to what is my table name? Parent. And here you and here I want to send table name. Okay, now, and here one more point is very important to underline this. Whatever the table name are you passing here, this table name must be in a capital. Must be in a capital. So table name, okay, should be in capital. If you are sending small case characters of table name, either your table name you created small case or uppercase or none of the matter. Okay, na? It must and should be give it a capitals only. Table name should be in capital. Now, as per this, can you come out and see? I'm going to checking whether my constraint is added or not. Select, what is that? Column underscore name. Constraint underscore name. From which table? User underscore cons underscore columns. Your user underscore cons underscore columns is called as a predefined tables. And these tables are how it was comes, sir, means that along with the software installation. Along with software installation, some predefined or system defined tables also coming to us. And in those, this is one of the table. And this table intention is what now? Every constraint information will be stored. Understand? Na? So now which table information do you want to see? My table name is what? Parent. The parent table should be in the capital. Now we can see what is your column name? EID. What is your constraint name? EID underscore PCAM. So like this, if you want to see your constraints details, you can use this syntax. Okay, no? Right down below. And now you can see, suppose, sir, if I'm giving here, my table name is in small case characters if I'm giving. So what it was happen? Your data will not showing. So that means table name must be capital, right down below. This is the first example. I will give it, then after you can understand. First example, you can write as usual. Okay, right. This is how we can view. And the next case, right below. 2. Now write on. Adding unique constraint. Suppose you need to add unique constraint. So how we can add it here? So again, same as. Let me come out and see. Suppose in my table, on my EID column, I was applied primary key. Okay. Then we have to go alter table. What is the table name? Parent. Add constraint key name. For example, ename underscore UQ. and later I will send here unique of a ename. Okay, na? Right. And if you want to see whether it is added or not, then what should be called? So select a column name, constraint name from user underscore cons underscore table underscore name is equals to parents. Now we can see unique constant successfully added on your ename column now. Yes. Now below write down. Okay, right. Next one is what now? How to add your check constraint. Check constraint, I'm going to adding on which column here? Salary column. Okay. Alter table, parent, add your constant key name, sal underscore chk. And what is my check condition? For example, your salary is greater than or equals to 15,000 something. Okay, now? Right. The condition is added, and let me come out and see your date. Okay, your table, whether it is added or not, means yes, we are added on a salary column. Right now. Hmm? Constant key names, not aliases. Key names, not aliases. Key names. So key names, what it is means previously, can you remember number is came out? Sys underscores C00 some identity number is came. Yes or no? That number we cannot understand now. Yes or no? So instead of that number, we are using what now? User defined names. Okay, it's a key names. Okay, now for identification of your constant. Okay, user can identify what type of constant are you applied. Okay, that is what key name. Right. So now next one, I need to add okay. What is that here? The next one, adding not null. So adding not null constraint. When you want to add not null constraint here, there is a separate syntax was there. Okay, the syntax little bit modification will be there here. Alter table, okay, table name, alter table name, modify, and should give it your column name. After column name, you have to use your constant predefined keyword that's called as constant. Then after you can give it a constant key name. Then finally give it a not null. Okay, right. Here, why, sir, I'm using modify keyword? Suppose I have some doubt. Previously, we are using which keyword? Add. And here, why I'm using modify means, actually, what we discuss by default, every column, suppose it's my X column. By default, if you are not inserted any value into this column, what it was take by default? What it was take by default? Nulls. So that means null already existing. That's a default. So those nulls are what we want to do, modify as what? Not null. That's why I'm using modify keyword. Okay, right. So now as per this, now careful observe. Present in my table, they have a 3 constants are there. Primary key, unique, check. Primary key is applied on EID column, unique constant is applied name column, check constant applied on salary column. So the not null, you can apply ename and salary because primary key by default is not allowed nulls. So no need again to apply. Otherwise, if you want to see the desk of your table, the table structure, if you want to check it out now, okay, now you can see the table structure EID already existing what now? Not null. So that's why no need to apply again. Already not null is there. But which columns are not having not null? Name and salary. So that means now you have a chance to apply any of this column. Understand now? So how I can go to add now? So alter table. What is the table name? Parent. Which keyword? Modify. Which column? For example, ename column, for example. Ename column. Constant is a predefined keyword and constant key name. What is the key name? Ename underscore NN. NN means not null. Space. What is your constant name? Not null. So now it was. Now after that, you can see your desk parent. Now you can see S name is also converting as a not null. Yes. Okay, now, and now that is converted, and later you can see your constant not null is added. Is it added? To which column? Ename column. Okay, right down below. From now onwards, your subject is not easy. Okay, now, so carefully focus it, then you can understand that. Otherwise, a lot of confusions. Because now onwards, every topic is a very important topic and very confusion topics. Okay. Now, the next one we called as your fifth one, adding, what is this? Foreign key adding foreign key references. Okay, here also syntactical wise, some difference was there. So what is the difference? Observe. Alter table, and I want to pass my table name and add constraint. And now I have to give my constraint key name. After key name, you need to apply foreign key. We need to apply your foreign key. Foreign key. And after foreign key, then you can apply here common column name of a child table. Okay, then taking references. Then taking references from which table? Parent table name of. Again, you have to send common column name of a parent table. Okay, na? So the syntax, observe carefully. Alter table, table name, add constant, constant key name. Then after foreign key, my constant type is foreign key. The foreign key, I'm applying common column name of a child table, taking references from parent table of common column. Okay, now? Right. Now, example, let me come. First, I'm creating my child table now. So create table child. Suppose department name, varchar 2 of some size. And what is my common column? I have to take here employee ID. Because on employee ID, what it was their primary key. So the primary key column I'm taking as a referential column. So EID underscore integer. That's it. But I'm not using any reference key on this column, right? The table is created successfully. After that, we need to add alter table. Table name is what now? Child. Add constraint. Which constraint? Foreign key. The foreign key I'm applying on which column? EID underscore FK. Then after what? Foreign key. Foreign key applied on which column? EID. Taking references from which table? Parent. Parent table of which column? EID column. Suppose you need to apply what? On delete cascade. If you want to apply on delete cascade, on delete. Otherwise, on delete set null, on delete set null. Anyone you can use, but one only can be used. So on delete a cascade. Now we can go to execute. Something is missing. Alter option, table option. Child spelling correct? Huh? Any spelling wrong? Check it out. References. References also correct here. Foreign key of EID references parent of EID on delete cascade. Invalid alter table option. On delete. Okay. Closing I was given. Okay. Yes. Okay, right. So closing I was given. Right. On delete cascade. Now table successfully alter. And now we can check it out the same what we can say, the column name and constant name, but table name I want to change or not? Yes, which table I have to see? Child. So now see foreign key is added. Yes, right down below. Okay, right. These are what we called as guys here adding constants. Same as below write down. How to drop a constant from an existing table. From an existing table. From an existing table. So the syntax will be observed carefully. Alter table name. Here I'm using drop keyword. Drop constant, and here I want to give whatever the constant key names I'm using now, those key names you must be use. Those key names you must be use. Now, so first one, okay, what you say, dropping a primary key. So whenever you need to drop a primary key, guys, what it was happened directly observe. Now suppose, carefully observe, this is my foreign key information. I already having this. Same as come to your parent table also. Here I'm giving parent table. I'm giving what now? Parent. So parent table, on parent table, you have a 4 constants: primary key, unique, check, not null. And in child table, foreign key. Okay. Suppose if I need to drop this, alter table name. What is this? Parent, drop keyword. What I need to drop? Constant. Which constant? EID underscore PK. Constant key name. So now if I try to this, what it was happen, if this primary key, if it is having relationship with foreign key, then it is not directly deleted. It was showing error. What it was saying, this unique or primary key is referenced by some foreign keys. So that's why directly you can't delete. So directly we can't delete when your primary key is having relation. But your primary key is not having relation, then you can directly delete, no problem. But relation, how we want to delete, sir? If you have a relation, how you want to delete that? So there is a, now we can come out and see, still if you want to go, in the child table, foreign key is there. In child table, foreign key is there. In parent table, primary key is also there, not deleted. So how I can delete, sir? Okay, how I can delete, sir? It means that, so you need to use some command. What is this? Keyword. One keyword, what I want to use? Cascade. I want to use cascade. Along with cascade, now your primary key drop. But primary key is not only primary key, it was dropping your foreign key along with that. Okay, primary key. So primary foreign key deleted, huh? Yes or no? From child table, your foreign key is not there. And same primary key go, where is your primary key? Primary key is also not there. So with the relationship, you have to use a cascade. Without relationship, don't use a cascade. Right on below. So here cases, okay, first case, case one, with relationship, with relationship. What is the example of with relationship? Alter table, table name parent, parent, drop constant, constant key name eid underscore pk, and we need to use a cascade. Number two, case number two, without relationship. Case number two, without relationship. So without relationship, alter table, table name parent, drop constant, constant key name eid underscore pk. That's it. So with relationship, without relationship. Next, second case. So dropping unique, comma, check, comma, not null constraints. Unique, comma, check, comma, not null constant. So now you can come out and see. Present in my parent table, there is no constant in my child table. Child table is completely deleted. But present in your parent table, how many constants we have? Unique, checker, not null. So now I'm going to use here alter table. The table name is parent, drop constraint. What is the constraint name? Okay, name is equals to UQ. So now same as if you want to drop sal is equals to chk. Same as if you want to drop ename underscore nn. So now all are deleted. Yes. Now you can see your parent table. Do you have any constraint? No. Right down below. One line. Okay, right. This is how to adding and how to dropping on existing tables. Okay, now later tomorrow we will see default constant, how it was working, and some more operations on the constants. Okay, right, guys. And yesterday notes uploaded. Okay, right. So I uploaded and once check it out. Okay, right, guys. Thank you. Any column you can apply. అందుకే నాట్ ఇష్టం మంచిది